Hello and welcome to 306090 production. My name is Abna and
Lucky.
you know what? We are traveling with Everest Fleet. We are exploring the unexplored places and I decide to go to a tapri. I am going to take you today. We are going to go to Chai Tapri.
हाँ भाई, चाय टपरी.
They serve 8 to 10 varieties of
8
tea.
to 10 varieties.
8 to 10 varieties of tea.
Nope.
8 to 10 varieties of tea and they are at the NH3 highway. So let's go and explore.
Let's go.
Here we have the founders. Alright, we have Geetesh and we have Gaurav. G Square. So you know what? This is a very special chai from Chai Tapri. Okay, this is called the Gauti chai. Gauti chai. Okay. So let me ask, why is this so special?
This Gauti chai actually, जब से चाय टपरी चालू हुई है, from the first day till today, we use it each and every day.
From the day Chai Tapri has been started, from the day this has been born, I think it's 1.5 year old now. It's 1.5 year old on the NH3 highway on the road, and they've been using Gauti, which is the lemongrass, and
Good for health also.
it's good for health, and the smell
जब
is
इसको चाय में जब डालते हैं, जब आदमी जब पीता है, तो दिल खुश होके ही निकलता है वो यहाँ से.
absolutely, दिल तो एकदम मतलब खुशी हो जाता है इसमें. It's smelling that good and it's smelling that great. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a sip. But you know what I'm going to ask you, Lucky? तू क्या लेगा इसमें से? कड़क आदमी
भाई
कड़क
मैं
चाय
तो
है.
कड़क चाय पिएगा. कड़क आदमी तो कड़क चाय ही पिएगा.
आदमी के लिए एकदम कड़क
कड़क
चाय.
आदमी के लिए कड़क चाय, and obviously I like organic, so let's just
You should, you should.
let's do a cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers with chai tapri.
Cheers.
ये तो सच्ची कड़क है.
So with this, it's giving me an essence of lemongrass. It's giving me the flavor of lemongrass boiled in water. It's giving a very herbal kind of a flavor. It's giving a very herbal kind of a taste, and it's giving for your taste palates. For your taste palates, if you do not like sugar, I'm repeating, अगर आपको चीनी शक्कर पसंद नहीं है, so this is the chai for you. Done. The kadak chai.
It's very strong.
It's strong,
ये
kadak.
कड़क चाय पी के आप एकदम फ्रेश हो जाओगे. भागने लगोगे इधर उधर. एकदम फ्रेश. मेरा पहले मूड एकदम मतलब इतना घूम के आया, इतना ट्रैवल करके आया तो थक गया था, पर कड़क चाय पी के तो अभी मैं तो एकदम सरस हो गया.
एकदम सरस हो गया. So you see, you have the sugar. It has sugar in it. It has sugar and obviously the sugarless Gauti chai. The reason I like it is because it's giving me a very lemon taste. It's giving me a farm fresh taste. It's giving me a very very farm fresh taste. It's like, you know, it's come
It's the
out
beauty
from
of
the
Gauti
farm.
only.
It's only the beauty of Gauti, and you've only used the best quality lemongrass. That itself can refresh you. I think there would be a lot of benefits of this when it comes to digestion and things like that, and for health. I'm sure there's going to be lemongrass itself is going to be great sauce. Brilliant. It's good. And we have another tea.
That's called lemon.
This is the lemon tea. So this is the lemon tea. All right. And we'll share the lemon tea. Lemon tea को share करेंगे.
नहीं,
We'll share
नहीं,
the-
lemon tea
He
को
says
नहीं.
no. He wants the kadak chai, and I love this. Okay. Now this.
This
Now
is the real
this
taste of.
is the punch. Gave me a punch on my palate. Gave me a punch right within. Gave me a very tangy taste. Pure lemon. It's giving a blast of flavor of lemon inside. And obviously, I've had lemon tea, but I think I would rate this on a very high scale at Chai Tapri. This is one of the best things probably I've ever had, and this is good. So the kadak chai, the lemon tea, and for people who
Love
extremely health conscious and you want to have a refreshing flavor, because this NH3 is always cold, correct?
Yeah.
It's always cold.
24
यहाँ पे
yes.
yeah, it's always cold, and I think chai is perfect. But you know there are times कि जब लोग आते हैं,
Chai
मैंने देखा
perfect है, location perfect है,
लोकेशन
everything
परफेक्ट है,
is
एवरीथिंग नहीं. बहुत सारे टाइम ऐसे होते हैं कि जब लोग आते हैं तो चाय में उनको सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ आता है कि कड़क चाय. बट ये टपरी में जब आप आओगे, चाय टपरी में आपको बहुत से वैरायटीज ऑफ चाय मिलेंगे.
10 से 12
8 to
10 से
10 varieties of teas, and here you have these top 3 hot selling teas. It's hot selling teas, and in the meanwhile, please come with your families, please come with your friends. This is on the NH3. If you're coming from Indore to Mumbai, it is on this side.
Or
Indore to
Mumbai
Mumbai.
to
If you're going to Mumbai to
Then
Indore,
left
it
side.
is on the other side of the road. It is on the right side of the road. But if you're coming from Indore to Mumbai, you will
It's
get it
left
on the
side.
left side. If you're coming from Malegaon to Mumbai, or if you're going to Nasik from Malegaon, Indore to Nasik, you will get it on the left side. This is Chai Tapri. It's beautifully lit. You've seen the
This is
ambience.
modern chai tapri.
It's a modern Chai Tapri. There you go. It's a modern Chai Tapri. And trust me, together, like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon.